Ang lakas ng lead pose ni Bea Milan-Widorsky, palaban at may sariling signature pose, isa talaga siya sa inaabangan ng mga pageant fans sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026.
At mga kapolitika, inyo pong nakita ang signature move ni Bea Milan-Widorsky na ngayon ay pinag-uusapan at ginagaya ng ating mga netizen dito sa mundo ng social media. At recently lang is gumawa nga ng ingay itong si Bea matapos yung kailang swimsuit event doon sa Boracay dahil sa kanyang liad moves doon sa nasabing event. So may mga tao or may mga supporters na kung saan is hindi natuwa doon sa kanyang ginawa, or meron rin namang iba na kung saan is sabi pwede daw yung mabago, at yung iba naman is sabi nila is pang MGI daw yung galawan ni Bea Milan-Widorsky kung ipagpapatuloy niya yung liad moves niya dito sa MU page. So ang sabi naman ni Bea is babaguhin niya naman ito kasi obviously is nasa Miss Universe siya at hindi sa Miss Grand International, kasi pag Miss Grand talaga talagang entertainment talaga yung papakita mo doon na maaliw at mapatawa mo yung audience. Pero dito kasi Miss Universe kinakailangan na medyo formal yung dating ng mga galawan. Okay, so kayang-kaya mabago yun mga kapulida, kasi after nga doon sa sa Boracay event na yung swimsuit ay talagang pinag-usapan itong si Bea sa mga moves niya. Although masasabi natin na siya talaga ang stand out dahil sa kanyang presence, pero yung pagliad niya is parang hype na. Okay, so yun dapat ang baguhin. But nonetheless is talagang trending siya at pinag-uusapan ngayon every time na andun yung mga supporters niya at kumukuha sa kanya ng video, ay pinagbibigyan ni Bea pag nagre-request ng liad moves yung kanyang mga supporters doon sa venue. Okay, so nagtrending na ngayon at talagang pinag-uusapan nga na sabi nila is pang MGI daw yung ganong galawan. Okay, but then again is pwede naman pong baguhin yun yung pagliad-liad ni Bea. Siguro is na out of conscious lang siya doon sa sa kanyang pagrampa doon sa swimsuit sa Boracay. Okay, so hindi siya big deal actually. So base naman po dito sa information ay tapos na po pala yung preliminary competition ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026 at pre-tape na ito. So ibig sabihin is nakapag-perform na sila and then ipapalabas yung video sa buwan ng Abril. Okay, so sabi dito ng Pageant Universe, MU Page 2026 Preliminary Competition. The prelim competition has officially been taped and will be shown publicly this April. The queens have already brought their A game from pasarela to performance, and the competition is getting tighter than ever. Who are you rooting for so far? Drop your bets and let's see who's leading the race to the crown. So tapos na po pala mga kapolitika yung kanilang preliminary competition. Kung tayo ay nag-aabang pa sa prelim ay tapos na daw at naka-record na yung video, so ipapalabas sila sa buwan ng Abril. So yun po ang ating abangan. Medyo kakaiba kasi ito, before ay talagang live na makikita natin yung prelim, pero ngayon is pre-tape na yung gagawin na ginawa ng MU page. Okay, so far yun po ang ating pinaka-latest na update dito sa MU page. So dito naman po tayo sa kay Andrea Mesa, kasi meron pong issue mga kapolitika yung kanyang sinabi patungkol dito sa Miss Universe, kasi akala natin before ay kontrabida itong si Andrea Mesa dito sa ating pambato na si Atisa, kasi isa nga siya doon sa mga nag-judge dito sa Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Universe 2025 na very controversial. And then ngayon is na-figure out natin na meron pala siyang hindi magandang experience dito sa Miss Universe, at ang gusto niya pa nga, sabi dito sa post ng Pageantology, ay gusto niya na mabenta or mapasakamay ng iba itong Miss Universe organization. So sabi dito sa post ng Pageantology, actually Latin itong or Spanish itong kanyang sinabi pero translate nila sa English. So ito ang sabi ni Andrea Mesa. I will always be grateful to the Miss Universe organization for what it has given me. But I sincerely hope that the organization will be sold soon, that the management will change, and that things will improve. The way they treated me and others there was very disheartening. I haven't spoken about this before because I kept many things to myself that I didn't want to share. My friends and colleagues here are also aware of this. Out of the respect for everyone involved, from the bottom of my heart, I wish my compatriot Fatima the best of success this year. So yun yung sinasabi mga kapolitika na meron daw hindi magandang karanasan itong si Andrea Mesa dito sa Miss Universe, at ang sabi niya is sana ay maibenta na at maipasakamay na ng ibang tao itong organization na kung saan is nababalot ng issue at kontrobersiya. So siguro ay hindi maganda yung naging experience niya dito sa Miss Universe dahil yung reaction niya rin doon kay Fatima matapos na ito ay manalo sa Miss Universe 2025 siguro ay hindi nagustuhan ng kanyang mga kapwa Latina or mga kapwa Mexicans yung kanyang ipinakitang reaksyon na tila ba ay hindi siya happy or hindi siya natutuwa dito sa pagkapanalo ni Fatima Bush. So marahil ay merong ill feelings yung kanyang mga kapwa Mexican sa kanya na nandito nagtatrabaho sa sa Miss Universe. So siguro ay pinakitaan siya ng hindi magandang asal. Okay, pero hindi naman natin alam mga kapultiya kung ano talaga yung nangyari. Pero according dito sa kanyang statement ay talagang gusto niya na maibenta na ang Miss Universe. At yun rin po ang ating actually ang ating aspirations, ang ating adikain na talagang maibenta na at magkaroon na ng bagong pamunuan ang Miss Universe. Okay? So yun po yung pinaka-latest ngayon na update dito sa Miss Universe. Ano mga kapolitika ang inyong magreaksyon dito kay Bea Milian Windorski? Ang sinasabi ng mga netizen ay pang MGI daw siya base doon sa kanyang galawan na liad moves. At ano rin po ang inyong masabi dito sa naging pahayag ni Andrea Mesa? Kayo po ba ay agree na dapat nang maibenta ang Miss Universe? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Miss Grand International 2024, Christine Julian Ambiasa.
Salamat po. Good evening, everyone. First of all, of course, congratulations to our queen, Georgina. I'm just so happy to see the crown again back with one of my babies. Kasi past year's winner was also a Candace baby. I was able to train her also, Nina, and she was able to pass the crown to you, which you are also one of my babies. So I'm really, really happy to see my girls shining on their respective stages. So congratulations, but of course, the credit goes to you. Kasi when I first trained her, when they first, Mami Yaja first introduced Georgina to me, at first she was very hesitant. She was a little bit nervous, but I told her everything starts from the bottom. So it takes a little bit of time to really get used to specifically having your own trademark when it comes to pasarela. But then it just takes enough discipline and time to train and actually learn yourself and learn how you present yourself on stage. And she was able to do that. That's why she got the crown. Ayan. But of course, again, credit to you. I know we weren't able to train before your competition, but I hope all the trainings we had before, you were able to use it for your competition. And I am looking forward to see you compete in a national stage, bringing Pangasinan, the whole Pangasinan, of course, Big Mali, everybody, the people of Pangasinan also in the national stage, di ba? And hopefully, international stage, why not? Kung mabibigyan tayo ng opportunity. I hope you don't close your door when it comes to pageantry here in Miss 100 Islands. This is gonna be an opening for you for more pageants to come. A lot more opportunities, not only pageants, but others as well. And I hope you continue to grow with the family you have now, your glam team, the people who help you throughout your journey from Miss Big Mali to Miss 100 Islands. And we are all looking forward to see you with more crowns representing representing your province, of course, and hopefully the country, di ba, tita? So, if ever man, mag-start na tayo ulit ng training. Congratulations again. And the whole team po, congratulations. And the whole Bitman.
Thank you so much. And please have your photo opportunity. Once again, our Miss Grand International 2024